Mabuhay. This is Alexi Fernandez from Davao City. Good morning, everyone. Actually, it's a legal holiday today, so I have no office. But still reporting in the office just because nagpalinis ko sa amuang aircon, sa amuang soki. So, nag-report gyapon ko. So, this one, mo ni among aircon. Ano siya? Kailangan pa higluan just because medyo init na siya eh. Ang aircon dapat limpyuhan kung office. Pila ba ka months ba? 3 months ba? 4 months?
3 months, sir.
3 months daw. So kani sobra na magudi 3 months last year pa ni. So medyo init na gyud siya, init na. So kailangan palimpyuhan. Asa tong dati nga naglimpyo dere? Bago lagi mo karon?
Sila Jun.
Sila Jun ba to? Sige. So nagpalimpyo ko sa mo ang aircon. Thank you everyone. Thank you for always following me and watching my Facebook Reels. Continue to likes and to shares of my video clips. Continue also to subscribe my YouTube channel. Happy holidays. God bless everyone.